welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Mary Neat, and I'm here with another freaking video. So I'm outside right now because I'm about to prank my sister. I was in the house a second ago. My mom's like, you should do a prank, you should do a prank. I'm like, what kind of prank? She was like, tell your sister that they're taking her wrong car. So as you can see, she has a 2019 Toyota Corolla here, and then she also has her 2019 Nissan here. And so she ended up getting this one first. Don't want it no more. So she got the 2019 Nissan. So they're supposed to be coming to get this one. And so I'm gonna tell her that they're here, but they're getting the new car, okay? They're getting the Nissan, okay? They're not getting that one. So I'm gonna tell her that. And she's on the sofa. She has my niece in her lap asleep. So I hope this don't wake up the baby, but this is gonna be hella funny. So go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if you haven't already, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, girl. We lit over here, period. So let's go ahead and get this started. Bow. Y'all, I'm actually a little nervous. This is last minute. I know I'm looking dusty and the camera about to die, but you know, we're gonna hurry up and just try to get this thing over with. So let's do it. The car people finally here. The tow people. Yes. So what they here for? You better get up because they getting the wrong car. It look like they backing up on your car, your new one.
That's not a Toyota.
You bet. Well, then what I'm supposed to tell them?
Oh, yeah, that's what it is.
Kid, yes.
Zuri is asleep. The keys is in the Toyota.
Okay, Keita, they putting the things around the tires of your new car.
My new car.
Yes, let me tell you. Will, go tell them people that. Go tell them people.
They're getting on your car! They're getting on your car! They're getting on your car!
Ain't nobody out here.
But they're in your car.
They drive off in them, don't they? Man, they did a damn prank. Open the door, Will. Open the door, Will. You helpful? I know I ain't that stupid.
Did I wake up?
Yeah, you woke her up.
It's worth it. It's okay.
Ow, you big old butt!
Get on somewhere.
Hi there.
And you made
And why you gonna put on your wig?
I thought I had to be right for the camera. Is it right?
Mama the one told me to do it.
Really, Mom? Really? Really, Mom? I told her to tell you that she was in there with me and I didn't want nobody to know that I was with baby, but she didn't want to go there.
Let's see it.
She told me to first tell you that I was pregnant. Then she said, well, tell her I'm pregnant.
Lord, y'all crazy.
Auntie,
That was a good
Kelly
one.
T.
That was a good one. And you made me wake Zuri up. Baby, that was a good one. You did that. You did that. She got you. You were prank. Oink, 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 oink.
When
Will,
Will,
you was in on it
yeah,
too?
I told
Give me
him.
high five, Will. You was in on it too, Will. Give me 5, Will.
Will said they got the car.
So what we gonna eat?
Y'all didn't even tell me y'all get Chick-fil-A because I want some. Did your blood pressure go up? What you finna do?
God, I didn't tell him to put my... I can't say what I want to say.
Will, you said what you say.
I said they're getting your car.
So
Oh,
you
not
gonna be my
Joey?
new prank buddy. We finna prank everybody in this house.
What? No! Not me!
What?
Not me! Not me!
She hasn't seen you all day. What, girl?
Was it funny, Zuri? Was it funny? Was it funny? I know that was like real quick, y'all, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. I just wanted to do something like really quick, y'all, because I don't know, I was just in the mood. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed that prank. Let me know down below if y'all got any more pranks y'all want me to do on anybody else in my family. Just let me know and I'm gonna do it. The kids follow me everywhere I go. This is my niece and my nephew. He did good. You was in that prank when you will.
Yeah.
Anyway, so he has a new channel, you guys, but we're still trying to figure out the name of it, so I'll let y'all know and y'all can follow them. What are you doing, Z? It's so hot. It is so hot outside right now.
And I'll tell y'all when my new video comes up.
Yeah, he gonna let y'all know because he got his channel. Y'all look at my little uncle Stalin over there. Hey, bye. Also, me and Court pretty much done. When I put up that poll yesterday or whenever, I was letting y'all know that I found out some tea, y'all. And I'm going to do a video on it, but it's going to take time because I'm going to have to, like, put in all the proof and all that stuff. So, if y'all down for that video, go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below. Like I said, this is my story, and I want to be 100% real with y'all. I started it already. So, you know, of course, some things I do keep private, but I want to show y'all, so period. I'm gonna let y'all know what I found out. So y'all let me know in the comment section down below if y'all want me to drop that, if y'all ready for that. Yeah, so we're gonna get it popping. Yeah, let's go ahead and go in the house. It's so hot, y'all. Like, you know when y'all been outside forever, and I'm talking to the women right now, and you feel like your coochie starting to sway, y'all. Like, that's how I feel. I've been outside forever, y'all. I swear I have. I'm so hot. My lips starting to get all dry and crusty. That's when you know it's time to go in the house and you dehydrated, period. So anyway, I'm about to go ahead and go in the house, y'all. I got my exercise in for the day. I ain't doing nothing else. I'm tired. So yeah, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if you haven't already, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm sorry I'm not glammed up today, but you can't be pretty every day. So update, y'all. We done cooled off. We in front of the fan right there. Feel good, y'all. We got us a drink. Let me see your drink, Zeri. Show them your drink. Yes, baby. Let's see my drink. I got a Diet Pepsi. What you got?
I like juice.
Juice. Period. Say period. Don't unplug. She unplugged the fan. Ain't that some shit? Plug the fan back up and stop, because you're gonna get electrocuted. Stop it. Just leave it alone. Zeri, that's not funny. You're gonna get electrocuted. Okay, let me do it. Come on. Okay, thank you. Now come on. Children. Why you feel like you gotta touch everything? Why you gotta touch everything? I mean, you gotta do everything. Children. Anyways, is the drink good? Is it good? Mine almost gone. You got more than me. Tell them bye. You don't want to say nothing before you go? What you want to say?
Just one.
What?
Just one.
Zeri, why your hair like this? Tell them, say, excuse my hair.
Here's my hair.
Say, it'll be done next video.
In that video.
Say, I can't be cute every day.
I think you love that.
What's this? Some weed? Say, why do some weed? Oh, you want it off?
Yeah.
Go tell your mom to take it off. Tell her, say, girl, take it off.
Good.
Go tell your mom. Tell her. Say, girl, take it off. So, we cooled off. We feel good now, y'all. It was so hot outside. Like, for real, it was so hot. We really hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all next time. Say bye.
Bye.